Seatbelts are just a habit for me now. I immediately get in the car and my seatbelt goes on right away.
I always wear my seatbelt.
To be honest, I do not buckle up all the time.
I don't let anybody else get away with not putting on a seatbelt. You never know what will happen while you're driving, and you don't want to have the reason that you are in the hospital just be because you didn't take 2 seconds out of your time to put on your seatbelt.
When I was younger, I used to like to put the main strap behind my head, and my great-grandma and I got in an accident and I hit my head really hard on the dashboard, so ever since then I definitely keep the seatbelt the correct way.
They hold you back in instances when you would have been thrown forward, and maybe having that slight little pressure against your chest and waist is a lot better than having your head thrown through the windshield.
I think it's important because I don't want to die.
Echo TV is a co-production of Echo Minnesota in collaboration with health, safety, emergency, and civic agencies and partners, and Twin Cities Public Television.